So today's a pretty exciting day. I am about to head out to go and collect the keys to my own shop. That sounds incredibly weird. This shop has been basically going on for about a year now. It's the end of one era, but the beginning of a new era. This has basically been my dream. When I started Rivals Corner, this is what I set out to do. This isn't an end game or anything at any point. It's more just the start of something new, obviously, and it has to continue. I have to still do my best, if not now put even more work into it. But regardless of all that, I'm incredibly excited. I'm about to put my shoes on and we're gonna go and have a look and check it out. Let's go. Just about to head into the unit. This is the unit. This is it. This is gonna be Rivals Corner. Whoa, is that you? Yeah? Oh, snap. There's gonna be a lot of work to do here, but there are plans. I have a plan. I have drawings. Toilet, it's gonna be here. Storage, it's gonna be on this side. It's gonna be a massive wall here to separate everything from the actual shop itself. Shelving, some tables. For building, I'm gonna have shelving for stock, obviously. Still gonna be playing around with the layout a little bit, I can't lie. Obviously some cabinets, some shelving to display people's stuff. And yeah, build days, build nights, that's the dream. Thanks guys, and stay tuned for more videos like this and progress on how we go. But until next time, take care, stay safe, peace.